there. Hallelujah. On that trip. Going on, man? You got your boy Quanadon coming at y'all with another sneaker forensic video, man. And today we're gonna get on top of these questions right here, man. Definitely a dope shoe, better than I thought. I'm pretty glad to have these in hand, and it took me a while to get them, man. I finally got them in, man. Before we get into this video, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell to stay up to date with all my latest videos. If you have already, I highly appreciate you. But yeah, as you see in the background, definitely a dope shoe. I love the shoe. It actually came in this box right here. And they do got a couple other boxes that they come in, depending on where you get them, I guess. You can actually look it up, and you know, I'm telling no lies. It's definitely different boxes. And I do like this box the best. They do have a few other special edition boxes, but I do like this box the best because it is a classic Reebok box, and that's dope, man. Definitely a dope box. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull the shoe out. As you can see, ordered from STOCKX. You know, I got the little, what's the name right here, sticker thing right here. That. Then it came with the little STOCKX sticker as well. You can see, definitely dope. Definitely don't got it upside down right here. So I mean, you know, normal STOCKX stuff. Do that. Yeah, they throw it like that, but then you got the shoe, man. Definitely a dope shoe. I do like the shoe, man. The materials on the shoe is dope. They're nice. It's nice materials. The leather is nice on the shoe, nice and soft. And I mean, I feel like they had to come with it. Definitely could have did better, but I did feel like they had to come with it when it came to, you know, a sneaker that represented, you know, Kobe Bryant's when he was a free agent in between sneaker deals. So he was a free agent, and then they got this shoe sent to him to the practice facility, and he actually wore them in the game. And this was in 2002. I gotta cheat real quick. Yeah, this was in 2002. Had to cheat. It's actually in the shoe, man. They actually had a date on the shoe. It looks like the date when he wear them, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on it, but that's what I'm guessing. I'm guessing it's the date when he wore the sneaker. Let me get you a little close up of that sneaker there. I don't want to get too close. Definitely a dope sneaker. It's fire, man. I like this sneaker, man. Very dope. So I'm not gonna go into full in-depth review. You know what I'm saying? It's just me talking about my experience really with STOCKX. definitely was long, man. It was a long wait. I actually ordered these the day they came out, which they released on the 31st of December, man. That was a 2020 purchase, you know what I'm saying? My last 2020 purchase. And it took forever to get the package. So, I mean, it's kind of hard, you know, ordering with STOCKX, especially not knowing what quality the sneaker is and if you're gonna like the quality of the sneaker, but you just taking that gamble anyway and order it. And obviously, I had to pay more than retail. Not too much more than retail. It was a little over retail, but you know, either way, it still was over retail. So I mean, definitely a nice sneaker, man. Definitely a nice sneaker. Glad I got it in my collection, man. If you think about getting the shoe, go ahead and grab it while it's at a low price, man. And I consider that a low price, being that, you know, these are a player edition, pretty much. They don't have Kobe's number on it. They don't have Kobe's number, and they got their number 3 on there. You know, that's kind of a downer because I do wish they had that number 8 there. But I mean, you know, I can't ask for too much. I'm just glad that they did release them, because, you know, at the point in time they was talking about holding the release, or, you know, they wasn't going to drop it because of Kobe's untimely passing. You know, shout out to Kobe, rest in peace. You know what I'm saying, rest in paradise, sir. Definitely was the GOAT, one of the greatest of all time, hands down. Even though I wasn't a major fan of Kobe, like, he balled, and I knew he balled. And when my team played him, or a player that I like, or a team that I like played against him, listen, it's a scary sight. But anyway, man, rest in peace to Kobe. Definitely glad to have these in my collection, man. Now I'm looking for a Reebok jersey, man. A classic Kobe Lakers Reebok jersey to go with these, man. I don't think Nike gonna do, but I'm gonna get me a Lakers one. A Reebok, definitely, man. So if anybody got some Reebok, man, hit me up if you got one. You know what I'm saying? You trying to sell it? Don't try to overprice me now. Don't try to hit me over the head. But anyway, definitely a dope shoe, man. STOCKX verified for sure. If you're looking to grab the shoe, man, go ahead and grab it, man. All right, and as I always say, man, it's more of an expense to hate. It don't cost a thing to show love. I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my souls. And we out, we gang.